Hello traders, welcome to Shoonya. Today in this video, we will see about overview of Shoonya Web. For that, we will go to the website of Finvasia and then on More Tools above and then click on Shoonya. Then you will see we have come to the next page here. We click on Web button. Then you will see Shoonya Web has been opened where we will enter our trading user ID, password or PAN number. Here you can also log in with WPIN if you have set any of your WPIN, and if not then we will use in with password here. Here we have given the option of forget password. If you forget your trading password, you can also reset the password by clicking here and entering your user ID, PAN number and date of birth. Now we will log in by entering our trading credentials, that is user ID, password and PAN number. Then you will see that we have been logged in on the dashboard where is asking us to set WPIN. Here we will set the WPIN. We will set WPIN in 4 digit. So here now we will first see the market watch part like you are seen above. Indices of Nifty and Bank Nifty are engaged. The search bar is given below them where we can search any script and add it to the market watch. A button of grid view has been given with the same search bar where we can also see the scripts in the grid view by clicking. At the same time, by clicking on the settings button, you can set the sort and choose market watch. After that, if you move the cursor above the scripts, then you will see the options of buy, sell, depth, chart and delete. So as if you click on buy button in green color, then buy window will open, and if you click on sell button in red color, then sell window will open, which you can also move here and there. We will show you the function of buy sell in the next video. After that, we will click on depth where you can see the depth of the script. You can also see the depth of the script of BSC from NSC by toggling the even key. After that, we will click on the chart where you will see that the chart of that script has also been generated. With delete button, you can delete the script from market watch. You can info, set alert, create GTT, add to favorite 1 or add to favorite 2 or option chain. With info you can see completely the info of script. With set alert you can put the alert on the script. With create GTT you can place GTT order. If you click on add to favorite 1, then the script will be added to the indices. And if you click on add, then favorite 2, then it will be added to the second number in the script indices. After that, if you click on the option chain, then here you will also see the option chain where you can buy and sell by clicking on the option chain. After that, we will go to the dashboard where you can see your margin, orders, positions, and holding counts. And on top of that, you can add and withdraw funds. Now we will see in orders where you can see all types of orders such as GTT order, trade book, multi-leg order, basket order, and SIP. You can view your positions on the position page. You will also see day MTM and PNL here. In holding, you will see your hold stocks, which you can also see by toggle exchange wise. You can also see your available margin and peak margin, utilization detail in margin here. Also with this, you can also do add fund and withdrawal from this as well. Clicking on the market will show the top gainers and losers of different exchanges. After that, you can see different type of screeners on screeners where you will see volume wise up and down. After that, on clicking on the user ID, a page will open where you can toggle and set the light and dark theme. Under that, you can set change password and WPIN in security. In order preference, you can set the value of the order. In logged in session, you can check your sessions on which platform your user is logged like here you are viewing the web right now. Now we have also taken mobile app login here. So here we have two sessions. After that, you can toggle either chart IQ or trading view in the chart preference. By clicking on the notification bell icon, you will see alerts and pending alerts right here. By clicking on the basket icon from here, you can place your basket order by clicking on trade basket. And in the last, dots are given from where you can place the IPO. And in the last, you have to click on the user ID to log out the user ID. And after that, you can log out by clicking on the logout button. So this was a brief overview about Shoonya Web platform. Thanks for watching. For any further assistance, please contact us.